When a data source record is to be deleted, we just need to identify which record to delete. When the delete action was created, something covered in another tutorial, a number of send parameters will have been included. To delete a record, we need data in a form that matches data in the data source for each of those send parameters. We will trigger the command on the press of the delete button. The check mandatory command ensures that the two fields, ID and company name, will have some data in them. After that, and in the connect command, we will link the parameters to the fields on the form where that data resides. And that's all we need to do to initiate a delete command. But as this is the last in a small number of linked tutorials covering insert, update and delete commands, I will run through a quick example of each feature. We'll start by inserting a new record into the data source. I've checked that this ID is not already being used. Using the Select Customer button, we can see that this record does now exist in the data source. We can enter some new data to update this record in the fields provided. Using the Select Customer button again, we can see that this record has been updated successfully, and we can import this new data into the form fields on the left. With the identifying data already in place, we can use the Delete Customer button to delete the record. Finally, let's use the Select button once again to check that the record no longer exists in the data source. Please do be aware that with a Forms connection, the delete command is not supported.